Hello everyone, Nasir here again. In this video, I'm going to talk about the dollar index DXY. This is going to be a recap on my last analysis on the DXY. I have to be honest, I got to put my hands down on this actually. I got this quite wrong. When DXY was around 100, 101, I was speculating that DXY should be falling, thus seeing the US dollar weaken. How wrong was I? I really didn't expect the dollar to suddenly become hyperbolic and start shooting up so dramatically. The index reaching up to around 104 as of late. I mean, usually in these scenarios when I can't tell what's happening beyond what I have analyzed, I don't really say much, or I don't start providing more analysis just to justify my error. I think we're at an interesting time at the moment, simply because today we've got the Fed giving their interest rate decision today. Mark is broadly expecting something around 0.5 or possibly 0.75% increase on the base rate. I'm just wondering if the Fed's going to give us any sort of surprise that might drag the dollar down. When the Fed does announce the news, I would imagine the dollar will spike up a bit more, at least. Most of it's been factored in, to be honest. Simply because the market's been expecting this for the past month or more. So I suppose we could expect some sort of spike on the dollar after the Fed's interest rate announcement. After that, I'd be looking for signals to short the dollar actually. If for instance the price could stop moving somewhere around here and start edging up slowly, I think this will help us form some sort of trend line, and then I'll be looking for that trend line to be broken. If we see the dollar sort of stop around the 104.5, close to 105-ish level, and we see some technical weakness, then I could probably expect the dollar to come back down to around the 100 level, and then possibly beyond to around 97. So going back to the previous analysis where I thought that the dollar would come down dramatically down to around 94. I take that totally back. It's just not going to happen anytime soon. At worst, I could see the dollar reversing and coming down to around 97-ish before I could see the next signal. It might be the case that it's going to breach this trend line that I've been sitting on for quite a while, or it might be the case that it's going to bounce off this level. So for now, I'd like to wait for the Fed to announce the interest rate decision, see how that plays out, and the dollar's reaction, and how much more movement there's going to be on that. I think most of the movement's been done already. So if I could get just a little bit more spike on the US dollar, just to show that that buying pressure is dying out, and then anticipate some sort of short move on the dollar. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.